myself Maheswari Assistant Professor, Dr. SNS College of Education, Coimbatore. In this module, we are going to see about the models of teaching in the Skinner's operant conditioning. When you think about the word conditioning, conditioning takes place within the student's mind because of the activation given by the teacher. So, according to Skinner, the conditioning is done with the help of rewards and also the punishments. So initially the Skinner started his work with the animals, for example rat, pigeon and dog. And for example when the food is given to the rat or a pigeon or a dog, and then immediately on seeing the food the salivation starts. When we are providing food, on seeing the food the salivation starts. Once the bell is given and the food is also given at the same time, on hearing the bell sound, the dog starts salivating, isn't it? That inducement takes place within the mind, conscious mind of the particular individual. So initially the Skinner identified this conditioning with three animals, and then it is followed to the human beings. So when we are doing this in the classroom situation, teacher needs to condition the student's mind before they are starting their class, isn't it? So this here Skinner conditioned in the form of two forms, that is in the form of punishment and also in the punishments and also in the reward formats. That is, punishment is in the form of positive punishment and also in the negative punishment. Positive punishments means, for example, when the student is coming regularly late to the class, when the class started, the student is coming late now, we can ask the students, for example, I am taking the conditioning theory now, Skinner. I ask the students to collect picture related to Skinner, like this. Go to the library, take the book, collect some pictures and come here. Likewise, can I ask? That is a positive punishment I have given to the students based on the lateness. And sometimes we need to really punish that particular individual. We can give negative punishments too. But as a teachers, we need to give always positive punishment and reinforcement. We need whatever work we are providing to the students, we need to reinforce in a positive way. Isn't it? What type of reinforcement we can give? Now, as a teacher in the classroom, immediately while taking, if the student answers the class correctly, we need to reinforce. How can we reinforce? Now, with the help of gestures, isn't it? With the help of saying good, by positive words. That will also induces the student's mind to condition effectively. Thus, conditioning makes the individual to self-regulate them, and they need to listen the class perfectly, isn't it? So Skinner stressed this conditioning theory based on these two main concepts, that is reinforcement and the punishment technique. So we need to give reinforcement. Sometimes negative reinforcement will also induce the students' mind. In what way we can negatively reinforce? Now, for example, many students are doing very good. We need to differentiate one student as an extraordinary individual that motivates the students, and others will be degraded that during that time. What they will think, I need to do excellent than that particular individual. That is a negative reinforcement. We are giving reinforcement, but one is more than that 4 or 5. That 4 or 5 will also work hard to get the positive reinforcements here, isn't it? So the reinforcements plays a major role in the student's mind to do their works effectively in the classroom situation. And when you are showing your teaching aids and other aids and all, and then that also conditions the student's mind, isn't it? I am continuously speaking. Sometimes my words will discourage you. My words you are not able to catch you. During the time, some aids will help you to understand the concepts clearly. That also is very important. And then you need to have some faith with the students. That is very important. Love and belongingness is also very important. And we need to empathize the students. For example, when you are taking the afternoon class, this is an afternoon first hour class, isn't it? Then we have to think about the student mind. When I need to complete the syllabus, So I am taking the class. I need to think over that situation also based on that I need to take the class. So operant conditioning plays a crucial role in the models of teaching area that makes the individual to effective in the classroom situation. Thank you.